Hi, today we're doing revision for the tests. Now listen very carefully. The tests, you have the option to do it either on Thursday or Friday. You only have one go at it. Once you start the test, you cannot stop. You'll have the 60 minutes to do it. Not that you're going to need it. It's only 18 multiple choice questions. So now, today we want you to go and mark your attendance. That's lesson one of week 9. We need you to go to lesson 8, and I've got some detailed instructions here, but I'll just simply go to lesson 8, and there it is. That's the financial maths revision test. So basically what you do is you download that and open it, and it's just multiple choice question. Now this one has about 30 of them, and right at the end you have the answers to these, and they only give you answers only. So do that for the first period. I repeat, you do this for the first period, and then in the second period, what's going to happen is at the start, I'll email you, or better still, I might actually put it in. I'll email you and or put it in Hapara. Let's probably do both. For you to try. It's only 18 questions, so it's very similar to the test itself. The difference is in the last 10 minutes of the second period, I will send you the solutions. Now, that includes some working, so you'll be able to see how you can tackle it, especially with the aid of your calculator. So keep that in mind. So repeat. Revision 2 tests, one very long, the second one very similar to the test, which you will be able to do on Thursday or Friday. Do it on Thursday, Friday's off. Do it on Friday. I'm expecting you to do some more revision on Thursday. Any questions, please email me. Thanks.